Welcome to the Super Bowl edition of the Not So Legal Show. Hopefully you had a chance to watch the game, check out the commercials, and watch Christina Aguilera screw up the national anthem, but it was one of the better games I've seen. Thoughts on the halftime show? Write in and tell me about it. And an impressive 111 million people watched the game. Whether you're a Steelers fan or a Packers fan, just be glad that you're not one of the fans that bought a ticket and got shut out of your seat at Texas Stadium. For some 400 fans, unfortunately, the seats at Texas Stadium just weren't ready. One fan paid $5,000 on travel so he could take his wife to the Super Bowl, plus $800 each on tickets, and ended up watching the game in his hotel room. Talk about a flagrant foul. What do people do when they're pissed off about something like this? They find ways to bring a lawsuit. While the NFL commissioner and Jerry Jones are extremely apologetic, they have to realize that apologies don't mean much to fans who miss their favorite team playing in the Super Bowl, spent enough money to feed a village, and braved a snowstorm to get there. However, I'm not sure drawn-out litigation is the answer. Despite being offered free seats next year, plus being reimbursed triple the price of their tickets, the emotions of these fans were way more affected than their wallets, and unfortunately, that recipe is never good when going into a lawsuit. No matter what gets offered, the anger seems to drive the lawsuit more than anything. I checked out some of the websites that are trying to rally people together to bring a lawsuit, and I do feel bad for these people, but no lawsuit will give them back the chance to see their team play in the Super Bowl, and in the grand scheme of things, they should just be happy to get their money back. A lawsuit would only drag out the agony. The good news is that there are not any lawsuits yet against Groupon and their somewhat controversial commercials. For those of you that missed them, just look them up, but I'm waiting to see if someone's going to bring a claim for emotional distress for watching Timothy Hutton say that the people in Tibet can make an amazing fish curry. I think some of the commercials were in poor taste, but if you don't like it, no need to sue, just unsubscribe from the service. The Super Bowl always reminds me of beer, so it seems appropriate to mention that I came across a case where a Florida appeals court ruled that a Florida woman is not entitled to a new trial in a case against Ford, even though she claims she deserves a new trial because she thought one of the jurors smelled like a case of beer. Maybe they just finished watching the Super Bowl. And by the way, if you're one of those people that try to delay jury duty by thinking of every excuse in the book, just be a good citizen and show up. That's it for now. Always remember to honor your power and stay tuned for the next video posting.